how to find a Bank of America ATM or financial center near you. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial, very simple, that you can follow up to find it. So we can just go and follow out this method. So we can use the official locator for that. So we can directly search for Bank of America locations, and when we do, it will provide us with a site within Bank of America, locators.bankofamerica.com. So head over to this site, and that will open up this site right here, like this, with a map provided. So what we need to do is we need to enter up the city, zip code, or the address. So go ahead and provide it up. And once you've provided up, you can even use filters. So we have option financial services center, drive-through teller service, ATM services, what you're looking for. So go ahead and find it up and even filter it out if it's currently open on Saturdays, etc. And click on the search option. And when you do, it will provide you with all the location. You can just go and view it up. You can go ahead and look out for the location. And when you do, or when you click on one of them, you can see the phone number provided, and ATM and financial center location, etc. You can even schedule an appointment. You can look out for ATM and the numbers available, opening hours, center services. You can look out for the full details there and just go over and view it up. And that way you should be able to easily find it. You can easily type in your address, zip code, or anything here and find the financial center or ATM near you, which is super easy. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.